Hi Stallions, today we're going to be doing Lesson 23 Problem Set for Module 4. Here are the directions for today's papers. Say the number sentence. 7 minus 2 equals, we don't know. Then you're going to fill in the number blanks. Cross out the number. Cross out 2 dots. Okay, so what does that mean? It's telling me that there's 7 dots all together and I need to take away 2 dots. So I'm going to cross out 2 dots. Do you see where it says 2 dots? So after I cross off 2 dots, like it said, I had 7 minus 2 equals, now we need to figure this out. So let's come up here and see how many are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I would write the number 5 right in this box with my pencil. 5. Now do you see how these same numbers are over here? There's 7 for the in all number and 5 and 2 because 5 and 2 makes 7. Now we're going to come to the next problem. Cross out 5 dots. I'll pause while you cross off 5 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You should have crossed out 5 dots. 7 dots all together. Take away 5 dots equals how many dots? How many dots are left? You're going to write that number here and here. You're going to fill in the number, the number bond. 7 and 5 and a mystery number. All right, down here it says cross out 4 dots. I'll wait while you cross off 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. 7, take away 4, equals how many are left? So come back over here and count how many you have left. Now you're going to write that number here and here to finish your number bond. Now we're on the second page. Boys and girls, I want you to know that this is a little bit challenging. I would like you to try this one with me and this one with me, and this is the real challenge. That's why I typed challenge in there. All right, here we go. Draw and fill in the number bond and number sentence. Draw 7 dots. You should be drawing 7 dots right now. After you draw 7 dots, cross off 2 dots. 7 dots, take away 2 dots. Now count how many are left. And that number is going to go here. 7, take away 2, equals, and put that number right there. Also, you're going to put it here. The number bond is 7 in all. 2 and what mystery number makes 7? Come down here now. Draw 7 dots. I'll wait while you draw 7 dots. You should be drawing 7 dots in a 5 group. Cross out 3 dots. Fill in the number sentence. 7, take away 3, equals the mystery number. And then come over here and fill in your number bond. What 2 numbers went together to make 7? Okay, this is the challenge problem. Draw 7 dots in a 5 group. Cross out 4 dots. I'm going to repeat myself. Draw 7 dots in a 5 group. Cross out 4 dots. Now fill in the number bond and the number sentence. Good luck!